Hello friends, I hope all of you are doing great. I know it's been a very long time, but here I am with this video today. I'm going to share with you guys the changes or transformation that I have done in my living space. I have tried to play with colors, patterns and textures this time. I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So friends, welcome to my home, and this is the welcome mat which I got from Amazon. I know most of you would have seen this lady in many videos of mine, and this is a very little space, or you can even say it's a foyer, but we don't have any seating space here. So I have placed this beautiful tangier painting here. This was done by my mother-in-law and it's one of my favorite. And this dream catcher, I got it from Pondicherry. So this is the overall look of my living space right now. So this is near the entrance where I have used this wooden box and placed this kettle and some DIY along with the plant. And here you can find my favorite Ganesh painting which I did on a cardboard, and the video is on my YouTube channel. And here you can find some sanitizers and necessary items, and I have placed some books here along with a plant. And this is my TV area. There's nothing much I changed in my showcase, so I'm not going to show you guys my showcase. And on this end I have used a small metal stool on which I placed this bamboo seater upside down, and I have used it as a planter. And this cute rug I got from Amazon. I'll give all the links to the Amazon products in my description below. I used two metal stands on which I have placed this metal trunk. I hope you guys remember this metal trunk which we painted a very long time back. And here you can find my DIY Buddha face wall hanging, and I have used these stickers which I got from Amazon. As you all know, I stay in a rented space, and here the woodwork is more, so I wanted to give it a break using these stickers. And here on the top you can find my favorite Buddha face, and at the back of it I have stuck this gold wallpaper which I got from Amazon, which I cut in round shape and pasted it over there. And I have changed my sofa covers as well. I hope you guys remember the center table which I painted long time back. And this carpet I got it from Big Bazaar some 6 years back. And here beside the sofa I have used this planter. This planter I got it from Amazon, and you can find my favorite Buddha here and a floor lamp. I'm not sure how many of you love masks on the wall, but I absolutely love them. I got this beautiful mask from a shop in KK Nagar, Chennai, and it's known as Junkaholic, and it has lot of masks from Bali. So I just love Balinese mask, and they are very lightweight and made of wood. I'm just going to give you a glimpse of the shop if you guys want to visit. I just love Buddha because whenever I see his face, it gives me a lot of peace. So that's the reason you can see there are a lot of Buddha in my house. And actually, this is a wooden shelf which I painted with teal color. And here you can find one hanging plant. This is an artificial one which I got from Amazon. The links to all the Amazon products will be in the description box below. These cushions you guys see here, I got some from Amazon and some from Big Bazaar. And for my sofa, I have used this Detecker cloth. It's quite expensive, but it gave a rich feel to my living space is what I feel. And this is the overall look of my sitting space. I changed the sofa cushions as well as the covers. I got them from this shop. So this shop is in Kodambakam and it's known as the Modern Drapes and Tech. They have lot of varieties of fabrics for curtains and sofa covers, and this is a material which I chose for my sofa. And this is the D-Decor album and you can see a lot of varieties here. This is quite expensive, but I would suggest you guys, if you want a rich look, to go for them. So this is the other side where I have placed my love, that is Alexa. I just can't live without her. My day starts with her. And these are the normal wooden shelves which I got from Amazon and I have distress painted them. And this is my puja area. And I've even painted my puja cabinet. I think I haven't posted the picture of this cabinet anywhere on my Instagram handle or in my YouTube. So this is the first time I'm showing you guys. Beside, I have got this distressed furniture from Facebook Marketplace. And this mat I got from Amazon. Even the mat on the top I got from Amazon. This stool is very sturdy and we use it as a sitting stool. So now let's move on to the curtains. I got these yellow curtains from Amazon. The printed ones I got from a new site online. I'll give you the link of the site in the description box below. The curtains are really very good in quality and very thick and they block light very nicely. And this is my dining space. I even gave a makeover to my dining space using those Detecker covers. So these are removable and washable. And this runner I got from Amazon. So I just played on with colors and textures here. I just wanted to give a different look to my living space. And this is a cute jade plant which we got as a gift. So here you can find this cow head which I got from an Instagram handle, Handicraft, and this is a milk pot on which I painted recently. This was done for my client. I made to deliver it. And this huge painting is my favorite portion of my living space, and this was done by an artist, Vasant. This photo is actually not possible in reality, so he brought it live to art. So that's the speciality of art, right? Balcony is really very small, and I just place few plants in my balcony, and all you can see here are plants, AC outdoor units and washing machine and facility for drying clothes. So nothing much in my balcony. I haven't changed any decors in this shelf. It's the same. So friends, do let me know what you guys think about my living space in the comment section below. I hope you guys would have liked this video. If you guys liked it, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new here, please consider subscribing to our channel and clicking on that ting 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 bell icon so you get notifications of all my future videos. I'll be quite regular with my videos now. So I'll see you all in the next interesting video, friends. Until then, this is Swati Ganesh signing off. Bye bye, friends. Please stay home and stay safe.